My name is Stockley, and I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Why I signed up for this course is so I could improve and get better at my communication skills. And what type of presentation do I want to work on? Just pretty much improving on how I'm able to articulate some of the stuff that I say, and who do I think is an effective speaker and why? I would go with the president of this nation, President Barack Obama. I believe he's a great speaker, and he speaks and talks with so much confidence. You can't help but listen to anything and everything that he has to say because he takes control of whatever he talks about, or he takes control of whatever speech that he gives, like the State of the Union address and whatever he says. He really takes control of it, so he makes you really want to listen to whatever he has to say.